It is very bouncy. Bouncy hair. Good morning. I have already showered and I put my hair in hot rollers. Don't really like it. Well, I mean, it's cute, but I don't really know what to do with it. I feel like I'm in a beauty pageant. It's 9:40 and I'm not going to school today. I handed in my assignment online, but I have a very large list of things to do. I cannot take myself seriously with this hair. First, I gotta let this hair die down. I just was trying something different besides kind of relaxing. Anyways, I have a long list of things to do. I accomplished maybe a quarter of them so far while I had my hair in hot rollers, but the rest of the stuff that I need to do, like I just gotta tidy things up, organizing my computer, editing and uploading yesterday's video because I was kind of late because I was finishing this paper, running a few errands, going to the bank, la 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 la, piano lessons, that sort of thing. So, and anything to get ready, I guess, for San Francisco. So I don't really know what today's gonna look like, but I finally feel like Vlogmas might be coming together because school is finishing tomorrow. I have one last assignment and we're going to Toronto for, and then I've done my entire semester. I am so happy, so very happy. I've already had coffee, I've already had breakfast. Walter's already been on a walk. So the last, I guess, thing for me to do is, well, obviously get dressed. Oh, I need to refilm the makeup that I did because it did not turn out. The lighting and stuff. Sorry, I'm just like, I can't get over this hair, but it is very bouncy. Bouncy hair. Yesterday's video was very boring. I'm so sorry. And now this is going to 4 minutes of just talking. So I'm going to end this right here. Okay, so I just finished filming this kind of makeup look. It's more subtle. That's kind of what I've been going for lately. If you haven't noticed, not a lot of like colors on my eyes and things like that. But now that I'm finished with that, I can start to get the rest of the stuff on my list finished. So I think I'm going to put some stuff away in the kitchen, make my bed, clean up this little area because it's like a homework zone in there. Always. We have this dining room, which originally I wanted to make this room an office because, okay, what I originally wanted to do, I think it would still be really cute, is I wanted to get like a really cute little couch for in here, like a big rug, okay? So like a big rug on the floor. I'm still in my pajama bottoms. YouTuber life. Business up top, leisure down the bottom. Okay, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to get a couch and put the couch against the wall with like a cute little lamp or whatever, kind of like what I have there, and then big rug, and then do kind of like a cushioned ottoman coffee table sort of thing so you could put your feet up, and maybe just like a really slim chair here, and kind of make this like, I know that doesn't really sound like an office, it just sounds like a extra family room, but it was gonna be like this study and a bookshelf. I don't know how I was gonna fit this all in here, but I was like convinced that that was what I wanted, and everyone was like, that's not a good idea. which it wasn't. We would have never used it for that. It's much more functional as a dining room, especially when it comes to filming, because the table, and I love this table. This table was actually from West Elm. It was on display and it happened to be for sale. I don't even think it's a dining room table. Actually, no, it was. It said dining room table, but it's like the perfect size. And this is obviously from IKEA. But I just thought that this would be like a really cute, study. I still do, because it's so cozy. This is legit my favorite room in the condo. Okay, let's get cleaning because I think I just talk way too much.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with boots and
Are you going crazy? He just... Are you going crazy? What are you doing?
Companies use Airtable to manage project timelines, track job applicants, and run social media campaigns.
What?
And if you're like BJ and you need help staying organized,
What?
you can use it for all the stuff outside of work that you kind of feel like
Oh my
work.
goodness.
There are ready-made templates to help you maintain that list of restaurants you want to try. Remember those great gift ideas you have for your co-host for the holidays.
So I'm just finishing cleaning up. We went out on a really long walk and it pretty much took all the curl out of my hair because it is snowing, kind of like rainy snow. But yeah, I just wanted to get this all pretty much cleaned up because you know, I don't want to be coming home to a messy home. I like to get everything clean before I go away somewhere, especially because when we get back, Christmas is only 6 days away, so less than a week by the time we get home. So that is not what I want to be doing during my Christmas holiday cleaning. So look at this turkey butt. He lies so funny. Hi. I love that he uses his paws. I just made a little afternoon snack. This is huge. I did not mean to make this much popcorn at all. I have to tell you, making homemade popcorn is so easy and so good. It tastes like movie theater popcorn. And I make it with coconut oil, no butter, no canola oil, no peanut oil. Just coconut oil in a pan or in a pot over there, and just fill a little bit on the bottom. I put one kernel, in the pot while it's melting, and once that pops, then I add the rest in, cover it, it's covered the whole time, let it pop, and super easy snack. That's really good. I have to leave in an hour, so I'm going to edit a video from yesterday, and then head out. I just got home, so there's been a large gap in my day since the last time I checked in. Hi, Walter. Are you, oh, excuse you. Are you happy that I'm home? There's been a large gap in my day. It's been a large gap in my day because I went to my mom's and hung out, had dinner, and stuffs. Now I'm home, and Andrew is working late for a Christmas party thingy, and Walter, I don't feel like super tired yet. I know I should go to bed soon because I have to be up very early in the morning, but I'm gonna take Walter out, so I had to go to the bathroom and then probably like wash all this makeup off. And yeah, we'll see. We already had dinner, chicken and veggies and salad. So yeah. Okay, everybody, I think that I'm going to end the vlog here. I still need to edit and get ready for tomorrow, and it's a bright and early day, so I am going to sign off here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I will see you again for another video. Good night.